What's going on, guys? Aaron down here at Sherwood Dodge. Today I got something really cool for you guys. It's a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 80th anniversary. Now this vehicle does come equipped with fog lights, and you got your forward front collision there with your adaptive cruise control as well. If you want to follow me to the side here, you do see that you have your blind spot detection and your heated mirrors there, along with your keyless entry. Now making our way to the inside here, you do see that you have full leather on the inside with heated and cooled seats in the front, along with a heated steering wheel. You have your adaptive cruise control in the steering wheel there, and of course all your safety features in the center there with your 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Now moving your way to the back, you see that the second row is heated with 2 USB ports in the back for charging your phones on a road trip. Now this vehicle also comes with a power liftgate with a backup camera, and you also see your 7/4-pin wiring with your Class 5 Hitch receiver as well. And you have tons of space back here, of course, for your 8-inch subwoofer. Now if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Grand Cherokee, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.